Ever feel like your mind is a browser with 100 tabs open? Racing thoughts, endless to-do lists, that nagging stress. What if I told you there's a way to hit refresh? Welcome to the Art of Mindfulness for Beginners, your shortcut to calm, clarity, and laser-sharp focus. Let's start with the basics. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind or becoming a Zen master. It's about training your brain to stay present. Think of it as a mental workout without the sweat. Science-backed benefits? Absolutely. Regular mindfulness can lower stress hormones, boost concentration, and even improve sleep. But here's the best part. It takes just 5 minutes a day. Ready to try? Let's dive into your first mindfulness exercise. No candles, chanting, or complicated poses required. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Now tune into your breath. Feel the air moving in and out. Don't force it, just observe. Your mind will wander. That's normal. Gently bring your focus back to your breath, like training a puppy. No judgment, just patience. Struggling? Try the 5-4-3-2-1 trick. Name 5 things you hear, 4 things you feel, 3 things you smell, 2 things you see, and 1 thing you taste. Boom, you're back in the moment. Consistency beats perfection. Do this daily while brewing coffee, waiting in line, or before bed. Over time, you'll catch stress before it spirals and find focus in the chaos. Your mind is your superpower. Treat it with kindness. Ready to reclaim your calm? Press pause, take a breath, and remember, the present moment is always there, waiting for you.